Hello, this is Kiamond and welcome to another Matrix Code tutorial video. As usual, first import the reference image to C-Plane. Lock the image and start analyzing. The shape has symmetry and 11 spheres are arranged tapered. Add ring rail in Europe region and 52 is good and start drawing. Consider the upper part of the ring 3.2 mm and the lower part 1.6. Use two axillary lines and turn off C-Plane for better view. Draw a circle with 2 points in the middle. Delete guidelines, select the circle and do object on curve. Put the start point in upper quad and increase the size of sphere. Turn on tapered end option and adjust endpoint, spacing and the size of a small sphere. Good. The number of spheres are 11 and it's okay. Exit command. Ungroup spheres and mirror them from F4. Look at the model in perspective view. The next step is connect the spheres with the pipe. To make the pipe look lower than the center of the spheres, we slightly offset the main line. .2 is okay. Split the bottom using two lines. Turn off a spheres layer and do pipe command. But not pipe spark because we need to initial, final and middle values. .35 for initial and final points and 0.55 for middle point is okay, I think. Turn on a spheres layer and look at the model. I think it's better if the middle radius of the pipe is bigger, so delete it and 0.35 mm for initial and final value. It was good, but 0.6 for middle is better. Now look at the model in render view and it's okay. And now the lower part of ring and using profile placer. Select profile and put it position. Now adjust the size and final position of it. Turn mirror option on and OK. Sweep 1, choose rail and profiles and OK. Look at in render view and it's good. I think if we use a profile in middle is better. So click on edit and set a profile in middle and now increase the width. That's okay. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.